It's Judi Love Bowman again, Dr. Thinkenshine, with another video on writing your book this month, writing your book this year. And this video is about motives. Why are you doing it? Now, it's not healthy to compare yourself to anyone. I know at the book fest last week, someone made a comment and asked, how many books have you written? And I counted the Dr. Thinkenshine books, and then I started counting my adult books. And in the middle of counting them, I was just thanking God for them and praising God for them. Because my desire, my goal is to make Jesus more popular and famous. So it's not so much about quantity as it is keeping your eye on the prize and following the assignment God has given you. So my hope is that my books, my children's books, my adult books, that they will all make Jesus more popular and famous and draw more people to salvation in Jesus Christ and a happy, peaceful life. So have a goal in mind. And what comes from the heart will go to the heart. Happy writing. God bless you.